A day with Tom and the cat. Tom is at home. It is morning. Tom is in his room. Tom is happy. Tom has a small cat. The cat is black and white. The cat is on the bed. The cat is sleeping. Tom looks at the cat. "Hello, cat," Tom says. The cat opens its eyes. Tom gives food to the cat. The cat eats slowly. Tom drinks water. Tom sits near the window. Outside, the sun is bright. The sky is blue. Tom looks outside. Tom sees a tree. Tom sees birds. Tom sees people. The cat jumps from the bed. The cat sits next to Tom. Tom pets the cat. Tom smiles. The cat is calm. Tom and the cat stay together. There is no noise, only quiet. Tom feels good. Tom says, "I am happy." The cat looks at Tom. The cat is happy too. The cat closes its eyes again. The cat sleeps near Tom. Tom stays near the window. Tom looks outside. The day is calm. The day is nice. Tom says, "This is a good day." The cat sleeps. Tom is quiet. Everything is calm.